Students, now we will see part B question. Come to the first question. Find the perimeter of the following rectangle. The length value is 17 meter and breadth value is 23 meter. First we write the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. Already I told you the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 multiply L plus B units. See, 2 we write as it is. We know the value of length is 17 plus breadth is 23. The unit is meter. See, 2 multiply then 13 with 17 with 23 we add. So we get 40. Then multiply 2 with 40, we get 0 2s are 0, 4 2s are 8. So 80 meter. So length of the rectangle is 80 meter. Okay. Come to the next question. What is the area of a square with the side is 23 meter? We have to calculate the area of a square. First we write the formula for the area of a square. I already told to you area of a square is side into side square unit. See, the value of side is 23 and 23 multiply with the 23 square. The unit is what? Centimeter. Then multiply 23 with the 23. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. Leave the ones place. Next multiply. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Then add 9. 6 plus 6, 12. Remaining 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So 529 square centimeter. So the area of a square is what? 529 square centimeter. Come to the third question. Find the volume. See, length is equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is equal to 15 centimeter and height is equal to 12 centimeter. First we have to write the formula for the volume. Volume is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. This is the formula to calculate the volume. So volume is equal to the value of length is 20 centimeter. Okay. Then the volume of breadth is 15 centimeter. And then height is 12 centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube. So volume is equal to, first multiply 20 with 15. 0 5s are 0, 2 5s are 10. Then leave the ones place. 0 1s are 0, 2 1s are 2. So 300. Then multiply 300 with 12. 0 2s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 3 2s are 6. Leave the ones place. Next multiply. 0 1s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 3 1s are 3. So 0, 0, 6. So 3600 centimeter cube. The volume of is 3600 centimeter cube. Come to the next question. Add the following. Okay. 29,763.50 paise plus rupees 95,675.50 paise plus rupees 54,973 and 50 paise. First we write rupees, point we write paise. 29,763 paise is 50. 95,675, the paise is 50. Next 54,973, the paise is 50. Then we add, first we add the ones digit. All the digits are here 0, we write 0. Then add the tens digit. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. We write the 5 in tens place. We keep the 1 in hundreds place. Then add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12. We write remaining one here. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7, 21. We keep 2 here. Then add 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. We write remaining 2 here. Then add 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. We write remaining 2 here. Then add 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So the answer is 1,80,412 and 50 paise. Come to the next question. Divide. So rupees 59,436 divided by 13. Already we know very well 13th table. See 13. If 5 is not divisible with 13, so we consider first 2 digits. See the 13th table. 1 13s are 13. 2 13s are 26. 3 13s are 39. 4 13s are 52. 5 13s are 65. 6 13s are 78. 7 13s are 91. 8 13s are 104. 9 13s are 117. 10 13s are 130. See 59. Here 59 is divisible with 13. So how many times possible? 4 times. 4 13s are 52. Then subtract 52 from 57. We get 7. Next take and write the digit 4. Totally now what? 74. See here 70. Is it possible? No. So 65 one is possible. How many times? 5 times. So 5 13s are 65. Then subtract 65 from 74. Okay. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So the remaining is 9. Next take and write the digit 3. So here 93. Here having what? 91. So how many times possible? 7. 7 13s are 91. Then subtract 91 from 93. We get 2. Next take and write 6. So 2 13s are 26. So we get the quotient is rupees 4,572 and the remainder is 0. Come to the next question. Simplify 4 2 by 3 plus 2 5 by 6 minus 1 3 by 4. See, first we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. See the steps. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 by 3 plus 2 6 are 12. Then add 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 6. Then minus 4 ones are 4. Plus 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. See all the denominators. Here all the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM. So we write 3, 6, 4. See 2. 2 is not divisible by 3. So we write as it is. 6 is divisible by 2. So 3 2s are 6. 4 is divisible by 2. So we write 2 2s are 4. See next 2 is not possible by 3. So we write as it is. Then 1 2 is 2. Then see 3. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 1. So we write LCM is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is what? 12. First we write 14 multiply 3 multiply. Next we write 17 multiply 6 multiply. Then 7 by 4. See, to get 12 as a denominator, 3 multiply with 4. And 14 also multiply with 4. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Remaining 1. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. To get 12 as a denominator, 6 is multiply with 2. And 17 also multiply with 2. 6 2s are 12. 17 2s are 34. To get 12 as a denominator, 4 is multiply with 3. And 17 also multiply with 3. 4 3s are 12. 17 3s are 21. See, we write first 56 by 12. Then see the symbol plus. 34 by 12. Then see the symbol minus. 21 by 12. Here all the denominators are same. So we write one time. Then write the numerator 56 plus 34 minus 21. First we add 56 with 34. So 90. Then minus 21 divided by 12. Subtract 21 from 90. 10 minus 1, 9. Here write 8. So 8 minus 2, 6. So the answer is 69 by 12. See the next question. Add 1, 1 by 2 plus 3, 3 by 4 plus 2, 1 by 5. First we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 by 4 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 5. See all the denominators. The denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM. So 2, 4, 5. First we write 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 is not divisible by 5. So we write as it is. Next 2. 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 is not divisible by 5. So we write as it is. Then we divide with 5. 1. 1. 1 5s are 5. So the LCM is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 5. Then multiply 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So the LCM is what? 20. Take and write 3 into 2. Next write 15 multiply 4 multiply. Then take and write 11 5. To get 20 has a denominator, 2 multiply with 10 and 3 also multiply with 10. 3 tens are 30. 2 tens are 20. See, to get 20 as a denominator, 4 is multiplied with 5 and 15 also multiply with 5. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. So 1 5 is 5. We add means 75. Come to the next step. To get 20 as a denominator, 5 is multiplied with 4 and 11 also multiplied with 4. 5 4s are 20. 11 4s are 44. Take and write 30 divided by 20. Then see the symbol plus. 75 divided by 20. Then see the symbol plus. 44 divided by 20. See here all the denominators are same. So we write one time. Then add all the numerators. 30 plus 75 plus 44. 9, 10, 14. So the answer is 149 divided by 20. Next we see part C. Read the question. There are 2,125 chocolate bars in a packet. Find the number of chocolate bars in 37 such packets. See, chocolate bars in a packet means we can consider one packet. So we write chocolate bars in one packet. That is equal to 2,125. We have to calculate chocolate bars in how many packets? 37 packets. So multiply operation we have to do here. So 2,125 multiply with 37. See, 5 sevens are 35, remaining 3. 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 3, 17, remaining 1. Okay, 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 sevens are 14. Okay, leave the ones place. Next multiply with 3. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Then add 5, 12, 16. Remaining one 5, 8, 7. So the answer is chocolate was in 37 packets is equal to 78,625 packets. Okay, come to the next question. A farmer wanted to buy a tractor. The price of the tractor was rupees 6,72,598. But he had only 2,86,760. How much more amount was required to buy the tractor? See, he have to, who wanted to buy a tractor? A farmer. First we write the step. The price of the tractor. The price of the tractor. Rupees 6,72,598. Farmer had money only. Farmer had money rupees 2,86,760. Next we write the amount required to buy the tractor. So which operation you have to do? Subtraction. Okay. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. Here see 5 and 7. So we get borrow from near number. So here write 15, here write 1. Then subtract 7 from 15, 8. Next here 1, here 6, not possible. So we borrow from near. Here write 11, we write here 6. 11 minus 6, we get 5. Here 6, here 8. So not possible. We get borrow from near. We write 16. Here write 5. 16 minus 8, 8. 5 minus 2, 3. So 3,85,838. So the amount required to buy the tractor 3,85,838. Thank you, students.